Wanted to thank everybody for taking part in our research study. And as well, I wanted to take a little bit of time and tell everybody about the phones we've been sending out. We are constantly bettering and improving the software. As there are updates, we'll send those to you, and these updates will fix little problems and nuances on the phone. A couple of those that we've noticed right now are that some of the phones will freeze at night after they charge. And so what that means is you'll come in and you'll press the buttons, you'll press the power button, and the phone won't turn on, nothing will happen. The easiest way to solve that is to remove the back cover, and you do that by sticking your finger in the top and then pulling the back off the phone, and then removing the battery, and then putting the battery back in. Snapping the cover back on, pressing the power button, you'll see the little LG logo. That means the phone's turning on, and everything will go back to functioning normally. One of the other things we've noticed is that the phone has an alarm. If that is a problem, you can set it in another room, stick it in a drawer. The next update will have that fixed. So, one of the other questions we've had is about how you'll know how your minutes get used. So everybody has 500 minutes to use. Now that has unlimited roaming, unlimited long distance, nationally, so no international calling. We'll let you know when you hit 400 minutes used, 450, and then 500. At 500, we'll actually stop the phone from being able to make and receive calls. If that's a problem, please let us know. Send us an email to support@therawdata.com. The raw data software will sometimes cause you to miss a phone call. We are working on that, and that will be solved in the next version as well. And this is experimental software and technology, so we're constantly learning and bettering it. Your feedback is welcome. We want to know how the phone works for you and what we can do to make it better. So, with that, I wanted to show you a couple of things about the phone, how to find your phone number, as well as how the software works and you know it's working. When you turn the phone on, sometimes you'll see this, sorry, the application process has stopped working unexpectedly, please try again. So all you need to do is press force close, and the raw data application will start up again. If you want to make sure it's working, you swipe down from the top and you press on the MOARC by raw data icon, and you should see the raw data logo. So, how to find your phone number. On the home screen, you press the menu button. That's the button with the 4 squares on the bottom. You press that button and then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, you scroll to the bottom, click on About Phone, and then click on Status. The status has a lot of information in there, but at the top, the third from the top, is your phone number. Now, on the top bar, if you swipe down, you should see a little icon here that says System Update Available. To install the update, you just click on that. At the bottom, it will say Restart and Install. So click on Restart and Install. It'll count down to do the install. And then what will happen is your phone will shut down and then it'll reboot. But when it reboots, it'll come into a little bit of a different screen. Okay, so now once you see this screen, this is normal and this is fine. What you need to do is you need to click the menu button. So it should be highlighted on Reboot System Now. And then just click the menu button to select that. At the very bottom it will say verification failed, installation aborted. That's exactly what we wanted to happen. So click the second button in, the one with the 4 squares on the bottom. Select that. The phone will reboot and it'll come up to your regular home screen. And everything will be just fine after that. So with that, I wanted to thank you for taking part in our study, and please check out our Facebook page. That's where we'll post a lot of information and updates as they come available. We will also email you. So thanks again. Bye.